Fine. Okay, so look at this. Yesterday, in the previous lecture, we have seen the how to calculate the geometric mean. Okay, so these are the formulas. So the importance of the geometric mean is very more as compared to the remaining mean. Okay, because it is used in a financial calculation, like in your share market. Okay, so it can be used for the cell production in the biology also to find out the production of the cell division. Okay, so at the time also we are using the geometric mean. So geometric mean can be calculated uh, in three different series, like individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Okay, so here these are the formulas which we have already seen about how this formula can be derived. So geometric mean is nothing but the nth root of the product of the given items or given data. Okay, so it will be look like this. So x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Okay, so we have to find out the product of the given items, and we have to after that we have to find out the nth root. Okay, so for example, you have the 10 elements, so we have to find out the 10th root of that particular product. Okay, so if the number is very large, at that time the calculation or multiplication will be very large. It will be increase the computational burden. Therefore, to avoid such computational burden, we have to use the logarithm table to avoid the confusion. Okay, or to reduce the computational burden to calculate the geometric mean. So therefore we have used the this formula. Okay, so with the help of log table we can calculate the log of the all items, like the log x1, x2, x3 up to xn divided by n. Okay, so the we have to calculate the addition of all the log of x items, n items divided by n. So that is the log of the value. Okay, log of geometric, the log of the geometric mean. So it can be derived like this. So geometric mean equal to this log will be transferred to the right side. Therefore the anti-log of the log of x1 plus log of x2 plus log of x3 up to log of xn divided by n. N is nothing but the total number of items present in your data sets. Okay, so same formula can be written as like this. So geometric mean equal to anti-log of summation of log of x divided by n. Okay, so this formula we have seen in the last lecture. Similar way, we have seen the how these discrete and continuous formula can be derived. Okay, so here the geometric mean into the discrete series. So discrete series means what? The data is given with the frequency. Okay, so therefore the instead of the normal individual formula of the geometric mean, we have to add here with frequency. Okay, so only f will be added. So f of f, we can say the f into log of x divided by n. Okay, so likewise also, so or we can write the same formula like this also, log of x, log of sorry log of x f. Okay, divided by the summation of f. So summation of f is nothing but the total number of items which are present in your data sets. So it is nothing but it is equal to your n value. Okay, n is the total number of items. Same way we can calculate the total number of items by using the summation of f. Okay, so this formula we can implement today. And in continuous series also we can calculate the geometric mean by using the same formula. Formula is same for discrete series as well as continuous series, but whenever we are considering the continuous series, at the time within the continuous series data is always given in the form of class. Okay, so there is a class range from, for example, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Similar way, so to find out, we don't know the what is the exactly value of the x. So to put within the formula, Therefore, we will consider the middle value of that particular class, and that value will be considered as a x value, and the rest of the formula will be as it is. Okay. So similar way we can calculate the geometric mean into the continuous series also. Okay. So in the last lecture we have seen how to calculate the geometric mean in individual series. So we have seen about the example. Okay. So this is the items are the given. This is the question number 1. Find the geometric mean of the follow of the values 20, 10, 25, 5 and 30. Okay. So these are the value. So we need to find out the geometric mean. So geometric mean is nothing but the nth root of the product of the items. Okay. So we have to write these like this. Okay. So nth root. So n is total number of items are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to put the value into the formula. Okay. So you can see here. So the nth root is 4 under root of 10 into 25 into 5 into 30. Okay. So it will be the product of the all these items will be 37500. Okay. So we have to find out the fourth root of this value. So it will be 13.9154. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the geometric mean. To avoid the such kind of to finding the nth root, it is also a complicated process. So therefore we have to use the logarithmic table to find out or to for the easy calculation. Okay. So for that we can use the to first we need to find out the log value of the particular item, and according to that we have to put the value into the formula. Okay. So this example also we have seen in the previous lecture. Okay. So in this example we have seen about the calculation of the geometric mean into the individual series. So data is given in the individual series. Okay. So for illustration purpose we have just used the very small amount of data, but in actual in your examination your data may be very large. Okay. So therefore you have to be careful while writing the total number of items. Okay. So here the total number of items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Total number of items are 5. So we have to write the all the items into the one table. Okay. And this is the we call it as a this is the your x value, right? This is your x, and we need to find out the log of x. Okay. So we can find out the log of x. Okay. So this log of x, so the first we need to find out the log of 133. So we have written here log of 141 we have written here. Likewise we have find out the log value of each and every items which are present in your data set, and it will be written here. Okay. So we have taken the after the decimal point too much numbers we have taken, but while calculating in examination you have to just consider the value of the fourth decimal. Okay. After the decimal point we have to consider only the 4 digit. Okay. And then we have to make the summation of the all the log of x. So it will be near about 10.8680. So that value will be put into the formula. The formula of the geometric mean into the discrete series is anti-log of summation of log of x divided by n. Okay. So we will keep anti-log as it is. So the summation of log of x is 10.8680 divided by 5. Okay. So the when we are dividing this number with 5, so this value will be appear 2.1736. Okay. So we need to calculate the anti-log of this number. Okay. So the anti-log of this number is 149. Therefore the answer of the given, or we can say therefore geometric mean of the given data set is 149. Okay. So likewise we have to write the answer. Similar way we have seen the calculate the geometric mean from the following items. Okay. So same things we have seen in the last lecture. Same problem also we have solved, and the answer of that problem was 58.03. Okay. So I think this was the assignment which was given to you, so you can cross verify the answer. Okay, so now check. So we have written the value of the log value of 85 is 1.92, like this, so on up to so on, and we have calculated the addition or summation of log of x is this, and the answer would be the geometric mean is the 58.0.3. Okay, so up till now we have covered all these points. Now today we will see to calculate the geometric mean into the discrete series and continuous series. Okay, so before that, can you solve this problem? Okay, is it possible to you solve this problem? It is already given to you. Okay, data is already given, log is given, you just put the value into the formula and just calculate the answer. Is it possible? Find out the geometric mean of the following data. The data is like this: 45, 60, 48, 100, 65. Okay, and the log value of all these items are like this. It is mentioned in front of their column. Okay, and the addition of all the summation of log of x is the 8.9285. So you need to put this one. Yes,
लॉग
you
ऑफ
need
एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू कशी काढायची?
log of x value. You need to use the either logarithmic table or the calculator. Okay, so there is a scientific calculator. Within the scientific calculator, you can see there is a one option is there, log. Okay, so you just click on the log. Sorry, first write the number, for example 45. So the log of 45 is 1.6532. Okay, so you can use like this, 1.6532. Okay, otherwise if you have excel, you go to the excel, and here also you just put the equal to sign, the log of. So you can use the log 10, which we have already seen the difference between log and log 10. So for example, you want to calculate the log of how much, the 45. Okay, so 1.6521. Okay, so likewise also you can calculate the value, the log of the particular item. So you can use the either your excel file, you can use the scientific calculator, you can, or you can use uh, the logarithmic book. If you are using the logarithmic book, and then it is the two-step process. First you need to find out the mantissa, and then you have to process it. Okay, so it is a little bit complicated, but to avoid such complication, we just use the scientific calculator, and we are trying to calculate the logarithmic value of the particular numbers. Okay, so please tell me the answer of this question. All the data is given to you. Just calculate the put this value into the this function, this formula, and give me the answer. You need to put this 8.925 divided by total number of items. How many items are there? 5. Okay, so 8.
5.
So just calculate the their division, then find out the anti-log. Okay, tell me the answer. How much time is it required? All the data is already given to you. How you can calculate the anti-log? For example, you just open the excel file. uh, so 10 raised to 10 raised to the any number, okay, which we want to find out the antilog. For example, here 1.763, okay, the answer will be 53, like this. So open the Excel, write down 10, this caret sign, okay, if you are visible you can see.
And
In this way you can calculate the anti-log, or if you have the already scientific calculator with you, there is an option as anti-log, okay, so you can calculate the anti-log directly. So if you have the scientific calculated the device with you, so there is an option, the caret sign is already there, okay, so you can use the 10 and the caret sign, okay, so 10 and then exponent, for example, what is the value, 1.76, sorry, 1.763. So here in this there is no such option is there, but in your real calculator it is there, okay, so you can use that one, or you can use the Excel file. उधर बैठ खाना खाने गए, ऊपर गए वो साइड की लैब. Okay, so tell me the answer. I'm just playing with the calculator. You need to calculate the anti-log of the given number, okay, so it will be look this. So 10 the caret sign and the number, okay, so it should be given the anti-log of the particular uh, number, okay. Who will tell me the answer? कुणाचंच नाही झालं का आणखी? Already data is with you, okay, so this is the data, okay, I will write into the chat box, and you need to calculate the, just you need to find out the, put this value and you need to find out the anti-log of the given item, okay, it is already calculated, okay, so you need to find out the anti-log of 1.785, anti-log of 1.785, what is the answer?
60.95.
60.95, Okay, just wait. We will check. Yes, it is correct. 60.95 is the correct answer. Okay. So Aishwarya, how you have calculated the anti-log?
So the 10 raised to 1.785 kilo,
Hmm.
then
Okay. So then
60.97.
you will get the correct answer. Okay. So like this also in your calculator there is option equal to 10 raised to. So this is the caret sign. And what is your value? Your value is 1.785. Okay. So the answer is 60.9537. Okay. So is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you how we can calculate the log and anti-log? Okay. Okay. Now today we will discuss about how to calculate the uh, geometric mean into the discrete series. Okay. So this is the example of the discrete series. I'm just copying the name. In discrete series. And here, sorry, this is not a link. Something. I think I missed some data here. Okay, so anyway, if you want to calculate the harmonic geometric mean into the discrete series, so you can just refer this. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so calculate the geometric mean of the following data, so which gives the defective screws obtained in factory. So this is the problem. Okay, calculate the geometric mean of the following data. Here I will write the problem. Okay, so such kind of data is given to you. You need to calculate the geometric mean. So this is the example of the discrete type of series. Okay, so within that first you need to write the table in proper way. So I will just copy the previous table. Just write here. I will remove the content. Okay, so here first you need to write the diameter of the screw. Diameter is centimeter, and the number of defective screws. Number of screws. Okay, so here the value, first value is the 5, second value is 15, third value is 25, and fourth value is 35. Okay, only four values are given, and respective value 5, 8, 4. Okay, okay, so here last we want to calculate the total is how much, 4, and here not 4. Okay, just wait. So this will be considered as a x value. Okay, this is your x and this is your frequency. Whenever the data is given in the form of frequency, so first you need to find out the log of the x. Okay, so I will add the one more column to the right side. Okay, Why this is coming like this? So here we need to write the log of x. First you need to find out the log of x. After that you need to find out the f of log of x. F of log of x means it should be multiply the with f of log of x. Okay, so find out the value of the what is the log value of this 5. What is the log value of 5? Please tell me. 5 चा log किती होईल?
0.6
0.6. Okay,
0.60
0.60.
0.6989
0.6989.
हाँ
किती? Let's check into the Excel. Okay, so I'm just copying the number here, and we need to find out the log 10 of this number. Okay, so 0.69 like this. So just I'm copying the values. Okay, so these are the values. Okay, now after that you need to multiply this log of x value with the frequency, because data is given in the form of frequency. Okay, so you can calculate this like this. Here this log of x value into this 5. Okay, here about you can calculate by your own. This value will be appear. So now we want to find out the log of x, sorry, summation of f of log of x. Why? Because the formula for the calculation of geometric mean into the discrete series is like this. Okay, so you can use like this or like this, any one of the formula you can use. Okay, so here we have to use this formula. Now we need to find out the f summation of f of log of x. So this is summation of f of log of x. So here we need to write the summation of f of log of x. So it would be 23.736. Okay, so you can calculate by your own, and we need to find out the total number of items. This is your frequency 5834. Total number of items are how much? 20. Okay, so you can put this value into the formula. So here you can write like this. So summation of log of x is how much? 23.27, and the total number of items are 20. Now we can solve this. So here we can use this 23 divided by this 20. So it will be 1 point. Okay, so first I will copy this. So near about the value will be 1.1636. Okay, so you can ignore the after fourth decimal point. Okay, after the fourth digit. So you can, instead of that, you can write the 367. Okay, like this. Then find out the anti-log of the given number. Now tell me the answer.
14.5773.
14.575.
5775.
14.577. Okay, so let's check cross verify it. Okay, so for geometric mean equal to, so here 10, the exponential, this value. Okay, so 14.5775. okay, so it is correct. So this answer is correct. Okay, in this way we can calculate the geometric mean into the discrete series. Okay, similar way we can calculate the geometric mean into the continuous series. Okay, so here I will write the geometric mean in continuous series. Is it clear to all of you how we can calculate the geometric mean into the discrete series? Okay, so here, so this is the example, the question. Find the geometric mean of the following group data for the frequency distribution of the weights. Okay, so weights are ear heads will be given like this, and number of ear heads here. Okay, so this is we called as a, this is your x value and this is your f value. Okay, so data is given like this. So to calculate the geometric mean in continuous series, the formula will be like this. The formula is same. Okay, but while considering the x value, we don't have x value here because data is given in the form of class. Okay, so we call it as this is a class and this is the frequency. So frequency is given but not x value. Okay, so to consider the x value, we need to convert this class value into the middle value. So to find out the middle value, so the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 60 plus 80, so how much? 140, right? Divided by 2. So it will be near about 70. 70 is the answer. Okay. So 70 will be considered as the x value, and then you can calculate the log of that x value. Okay, the log of the middle value. Okay. So here you can compute the geometric mean like this. So you need to find out the 60 plus 80 divided by 2 is 70. Similar way you can calculate the mid value of the given class, right? 70, 90, 110, 130 and 150. Okay. Then find out the value of these x. Okay. So the x is nothing but now your middle value. So just find out the value of x. So we can compute it. I will just open the Excel file. Okay, so I will remove this one. So your answer should be like this. Okay, so we will check it. Okay, so find out the log of x, log of 10. Okay, so 1.2, 1.84. Okay, so it will be like this. And then you can multiply the log of x value into the x value, sorry, into the given frequency. Okay, so this is your frequency, so like this. Okay, and after that you need to find out the total number of the f of log of x. Okay, so f of log of x is 324.22. okay, so this is the correct one. So and you need to find out the total number of items here, so make the summation, so 160. Okay, so now you have this value, you can put this value into the formula and you can calculate the geometric mean. Okay, so the formula to calculate the geometric mean is same, summation of log of x divided by n. So the total number of summation of f of log of x is the 324.2. So you can use 2 also, 223 like this. So you can use this value, divide it by 160 because total number of items are 160. And now tell me the answer. Okay, you please tell me the answer. What will be the answer? So I have already calculated the summation of log of x and total number of items. Now you have to find out the anti-log of the given item, given number. Okay, so first you need to calculate the uh, value. 324 divided by 2, 160 will be, so it is like this, like this. So now tell me the answer. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is a geometric, this is the division of that particular number. Okay, so this one. Now just find out the anti-log of the given data set. Just find out the anti-log of the this number, anti-log of 2.02625. So that is your geometric mean,
106.16.
106.13. Okay, so let's check.
1.
Just wait. One, okay, okay, 10 point
106.16.
106.13. Okay, so just cross verify it. We have the number. Okay, so we can calculate the geometric mean. So this is your summation of f of log of x value. Log of x value is this. Okay, so we will put systematically here. Okay, so this is your frequency. You can see the n is what, how much, 160. Okay, now we need to find out the division of this. Okay, so division of this will be 324 divided by 160. So it will be near about 2.202, and we need to find out the anti-log of this number. Okay, so geometric mean equal to 10 reciprocal this. Okay, so it is correct answer 106.2306. Okay, so you can just cross verify the model answer. Yes, it is a correct one. So 106.23, 106.23. So is it clear to all of you how we can calculate the geometric mean into the discrete series, continuous series, and individual series? So if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask. So I will give you the one example, one assignment. So you can compute the geometric mean of the given data sets. Okay. Okay, so this data is given to you. Just try to solve the this problem and give me the answer immediately. Okay, this data is provided you in the form of chat box. You just use it and try to solve it. Let's see who will come first. First you need to convert all these items into the proper table. So I will try to simultaneously, I will also try to solve, but it is expected that you have to solve this problem by yourself. Okay, so first we need to take the marks and number of students. So it is already given the value of n 109 students. Okay, so here marks and here number of students. So now write down the class of under the marks within that column. Write down the all the classes. To 24. You need to add one more column row here. Again one more row. 20 to 24. Then 24 to 28. Then 28 to 32. Sorry. Again, I need to add one more two column. Okay. Then 32 to 36 and 36 to 40. Okay, in this way you have written all the day items which are given to you.
Sir,
Then yes, yes,
18.14.
18.14. Okay, you just write down this number into the chat box. Okay, so we will check it. So you can calculate. The other student also can cross verify it. So here the 6, 10, 18, 30, 15, 12, 10, 6 and 2. Just cross verify the value. 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, 24 to 28, 28 to 32, 32 to 36 and 36 to 40. Okay, and their number of students is nothing but your frequency: 6, 10, 18, 30, 15, 12, 10, 6, 2. Okay, so respective frequencies like this for each class. So this is your F. Now you need to find out the middle of this x value. Okay, so the middle of this x value is 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 means how much? 12. 12 divided by 2. How much? The answer will be 6. Okay, so I think Mahavish, she has completed this task. So she has given the answer. Okay, so likewise, but it is very blurred. It is not seen properly. Okay, so anyway, we very good, Mahavish. We will try to solve it. Simultaneously, other student will also try to calculate the geometric mean. Okay. So here 6, then 20. It is maybe 20. It may be 10. Yes. It is 18, 28. So it may be 14. Like so, 14 plus 4 is it is 18, right? 18, 22, and then 26, then 32. Is it correct or not? No, I think it is not correct one.
Sir,
So we need
38.
30. Yes, it is correct. 30. So after that, the 30. How much?
34.
34. मी इथे चुकले का काहीतरी? बरोबर आहे.
बरोबर आहे.
34 and then 38. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we need to find out the log of each mid x value and then f of log of x. So I will take the help of the Excel sheet to fastly calculation. So you need to find out the log of x. So the log of x, log of 6. Log of 6 is how much? My wish.
0.7782.
0.7782. Yes, it is correct one. Okay, so we have calculated the log of value of all the items. Now you need to multiply this value with its respective frequency. Okay, so the multiplication with a respective frequency will be like this. Okay, so you need to calculate the total number of frequency is 109, which is already given in the your question. Now you need to find out the summation of f of log of x. So summation of f of log of x will be 137.9130. Okay, so you know the f of log of x, you know the value of n. Now put this value into the formula. Okay, so 109, and you need to find out the anti-log of the dividation value. Okay, so here we need to divide this value 137.19 divided by 109. Okay, so this is the value 1.2586. Okay, so you need to calculate the anti-log of this given number.
1.1.
1.1. There may be chances of that
No,
it will be
1.8138 sir.
येऊ दे इथे काय कसं इथे काय झालेलं आहे इथे नंबर जास्त घेतलेत ना मी instead of 4 digit it is 5 6 7 8 digits are there, therefore it might be possible, but the whole number will be same. Okay, so let's check the correct answer. So 10 raised to 1258. Okay, sorry, we have to write equal to 10 raised to this value.
18 point.
Yes, so it is correct, 18 point. So therefore the geometric mean of the given data set is 18.1406. Okay, so you can put this value here in table. Okay, these are the values. Okay, so it can be like this. So 13.06. Sorry. Okay, divided by n. N is nothing but the 109. Okay, so this value here. Okay, then division value of this is 1.5863. Okay, the anti-log of this given number is 181406. So is it clear to all of you? Everybody, is it understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so in this way you can write the answer. Therefore geometric mean is this. Okay, so today we have finished the geometric mean. So you can just check the merits and demerits of the each and every things like mean, median, mode, and arithmetic mean. So today we have finished the chapter number 2. and from tomorrow's we will start the chapter number 3. Okay, we can say the unit number 3. And I think where is your syllabus? This is your syllabus. Okay, so we have completed the measure of central tendency. Okay, now from tomorrow's onward we will see the measure of dispersion. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask. Otherwise we will stop here. So I will just collect the attendance. Okay, so is there any doubt? No doubt, no query, no understanding. Or is it understood to all of you? Try to give the reply, yes or no. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much for your reply. And today we will stop and we will meet by tomorrow with on same time. Okay, so have a nice day and take care.